You can use a spoon. Put the baking soda in your hand. You have just about this much. Then you place it on your face. Okay, so I know it looks a little weird and stuff like that, but just give it a couple of minutes and this is how it's supposed to look.
So you can see the baking soda is on my skin, and so around my mouth, here I have the dark circles and dark areas, the bags underneath my eyes. As you can see, some wrinkles, and I'll be having wrinkles right here, and like I said, wrinkles right there. And I'll just go ahead and make sure it's everywhere, because once it dries, then I'll show you the demonstration how to remove it off and how to get the dead skin and get the dark circles and the dark spots off of your skin. So it's still drying. I know I look kind of weird and stuff, but once I take this stuff off, it has a totally different look.